Guys, welcome back to this series of digital electronics. So in this video we are going to discuss about 5 variable K-map. So in 5 variable K-map we will definitely be having 5 variables, say A, B, C, D, E. So if we draw the truth table, the possible number of input combinations of A, B, C, D, E would be, possible number of combinations would be 2 to the power 5, that is 32, right? So these 32 combinations can be divided into 16 and 16 parts, yeah, 216 halves. So we can see from M0 to M15 we are having A is 0, B, C, D, E values combination would change, but A would be 0 from M0 to M15, and in the next 16 minterms part A would be 1 and B, C, D combination would be different. Okay, so what we can do, we can draw two 4 variable K maps for B, C, D, E. Like we used to do earlier for 4 variable K map, we will draw two 4 variable K maps for B, C, D, E, and for this 16 combinations or 16 minterms, 16 cells, we will assume that A is 0. So for these M0 to M15, we are assuming A is 0, that is A bar. For M16 to M31 BCDE combination, we are assuming that A is 1, that is A, right? So this is the concept of 5 variable K map. Now let us see an example of 5 variable K map. Let's suppose FABCDE is equals to summation minterms of 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15, 16, 18, 21, 23, 24, 26, 29, 31. Now let me show how we will fill these minterms like we used to do earlier. M0, M1, M3, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, and then so on, M16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, then 24, 25, 26, 27. How we can see, let's suppose this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and A is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is A, this is E, MSB, and this is LSB. So you can see the feeling is same as that of 4 variable K-map, just we are assuming that for this K-map A is 0 and for this K-map A is 1. So now let's take this as example. So we have filled these minterms respectively in both the K-maps. Now what we have to keep in mind that when we keep these K-map on in play, एक दूसरे के ऊपर जब रखेंगे इन दो K maps को, when we will place these K maps over each other, then we have to see what, when we are placing this K map over this is coinciding with this is coinciding with this with this, and this with this. So these four, right, these four can be paired with these four, right? So it would be a octet, pair of 8 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now if we see, this is a quad in this K map where A is 1, but we cannot, while placing over it, we are not having 1 and 1 here, so we will form this quad here of 4 ones. This was first group. Now for these two, either we can form a pair, a doublet here, but when we keep this over this or this over this, we can see that this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell are coinciding with each other. So we can form a pair, this and this. So now it would be a pair of 4 ones, and it would be our third pair. This would be our third pair. So now how can we write f of a, b, c, d, e is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. See, now in the first group, which is of these 8 ones, corner ones, what we can see, from moving this map to this map, A is changing from 0 to 1, so A is no same, so we will ignore A, neglect A. Now from moving this cell to this cell, or this cell to this cell, because these values are same, so what we can see, that D is 0, E is 0, D is 1, E is 0. So D is changing from 0 to 1. So D will be neglected. E is 0, so E bar, right? It would be E bar. Then from moving this cell to this cell or this cell to this cell, what we can see? We can see that B is from changing from 0 to 1, but C is not changing. C is 0. And so we will write C bar E bar for first group plus for the second group, that is this. The second group is only in this map, so A is 1 for this map, so we will take A1 because A is constant, not changing. So we will write A. From moving this cell to this cell, what we can see? That D is changing from 0 to 1. D is changing from 0 to 1. So we will neglect D. And E is constant as 1, so we will write E as simple E. From moving from this cell to this cell in this quad, what we can see? That B is changing from 0 to 1, but C is remaining constant and C, so we will neglect B and take C. So second group of this quad would be ACE. The third group would be that it is paired, the third group is paired between this map and this map. The map is changing. Remember, when the map is changing, then A is changing, so A is neglected. From moving from this cell to this cell, D and E are constant and 1, so we will write DE. From moving from this cell to this cell, B is changing but C is constant at 1, so we will write CDE. So our simplified function would be like C bar E bar plus ACE plus CDE. I hope you understood the concept, and if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. We will see each other in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.